This is definitely the most fancy female survivor you've ever seen. Ponyo was abandoned by her boyfriend because of her poor figure, and came to the wilderness in a fit of anger. She wore a pair of yellow slippers and carried her ex-boyfriend's big backpack with a dragon slayer machete she bought from a stall and walked to a clearing in the wilderness where she planned to soothe her emotional quotient. She was wearing a suit of the same type of shotun and snatched a bunch of bamboos from the mouth of the national treasure and used the dragon slayer machete to make a few cuts on the bamboo, which became what she wanted. The bamboo became the way she wanted to pick 4 of them to build 2 triangles, and then put one on top as the ridge of the room on both sides with bamboo pieces as walls, after Ponyo specially ran to 3 meters away from the place to pick a large pile of 1-person high thatched grass to carry it back and then feed the bamboo pieces, stacked, to be stuck into a piece of the frame directly on top of the room. Inside, laying on the inside of the N is a piece of tree, leaves a simple house on the OK to move to the 3 stones, to build a simple stove lit, a bonfire to throw out the ex-boyfriend, to give the compensation pork cleaned with water and put on the main frame and then dialing the girl absolutely.